Actually, I've gotten better at doing eyebrows, so watching this video is very cringe. Wow, okay. That was, yeah. Okay, so I am using the Luscious Angel Eyes. It is the eyeshadow primer base in the color Nude. And I am just applying that all over the lid. Wow. Then my brows are struggling. Actually, I've gotten better at doing eyebrows, so watching this video is very cringe. But at least we get her done. Oh man. Ugh. Okay. This is actually quite painful. I'm sorry. But hopefully this is entertaining you enough. Okay, so now I'm using the Derma Blend. And I'm going to use that to set the eyelids. And it's also just going to add a pop of color. And I really like doing that because it helps make the makeup last a lot longer, and it really makes the colors pop on the palettes that I have. And I am gonna go in with the Naked Reloaded in the color Blur, and I am just dabbing that all over. And of course, I waited a little before I just jumped right into that. And then the next color that I'm going to be using from the same palette is the Boundaries. And I've actually been leaning towards this combination a lot more recently and just playing with all of that. Wow, I have a really terrible camera, so I do apologize for that. I am going to get a new one. Okay, and now I'm going to be using Endgame and just starting from the outer corner eye. I am going to be blending it out and making sure that I go past my inner corner, whatever it's called, you get it. Just to make sure that it makes my eyes look bigger rather than making them smaller. See how I'm overdoing it? It's pretty drastic, so I don't think that you can miss it. This is my first voiceover, so bear with me, guys. We're still working on it. Okay, so next I am going to be using the Angel Fire. Who knows where I'm going to put it? Oh, okay, so right underneath the brows. And again, the brows are pretty cringe right now. And if you look at my newer videos, you'll see that I know how to do eyebrows now. It just took me a little bit of practice, and that's why I'm doing this. Okay, so the next one is for the inner corner of the eyes, and I am using the Barely Baked by Naked Reloaded Urban Decay. And I'm also smoking it out at the bottom just to add a pop of highlight. Okay, so I am going into the same color, Endgame. And I'm really defining the middle and smoking it out some more in the lower lash line. I'm sorry, not lash line, waterline, silly. You silly goose. Okay, and then with this, I am creating a winged liner with eyeshadows, and I'm using the same color, Bucked, from that same Naked Reloaded palette. When I play this back, I am probably going to absolutely hate my voice, but you know, what can you do? Okay, and again, making sure that wing liner is out and about. And with that, I'm using an angled brush. And I have seen the fox-eyed makeup look, and I wanted to try it out for this look. Again, by no means am I a professional, but I am learning how to do makeup, and I want to learn that together. So if you guys are interested, then leave some tips and tricks, because I too am a beginner, slowly getting better. And wow, okay. That was, yeah. You know, I guess I thought eye candy would make you stay. So let me know if it worked. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you would like to be a part of our family, connect with us on social media. Link is in the description box. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, pochitos!